When I went to school, I tried different ways. For example, I changed the street across another valley and these kind of things. Why I do that? Or for example, we did it when we were a child. We do it just to find the way which impressed us, and it is impressive for me, for example. Uh, in Windows, we have this kind of things too. For example, we have 8 ways to just open a control panel on Windows, and in this video I'm going to tell it to you how to do it on Windows. You can do it on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I just know these 8 ways. If you know any other ways, please type it on the comment section. I will pin it and add it on the comments or the description of the video, so is the full tutorial of opening just a control panel on Windows. Let's jump to the screen and see what's going on.
Okay, let's start with the first way. The first way is open the start menu. This is the start menu. Okay, if you want, you can use the logo key to open it, or you can press on that. Then here type control panel. As you can see, when I type just the control panel, it will be open and I can select it. This is the first way. What is the second way? The second way is we need to open the run menu window to opening the process. Okay, how we can open the run menu? We can use Logo+R. These are the shortcut of the run menu. Okay, with using Logo+R, in here again type control, then press enter or press the OK. As you can see, control panel, it will be open. What's the third way? The third way is you need to right click on the start menu on the Microsoft Windows. Before version 19.03, you will see the control panel. If you don't see it, you can use the setting which is in here instead of the control panel. As you can see, the setting, it will be open, but the before versions of 19.03, there are instead of the setting, you will see the control panel. Why these things happen? Because Microsoft is going to remove the control panel and add the control panel features into the settings in here. In here again, instead of the settings, you can press on the search and type control panel to open it. This is the third way. Number 4. Instead of right clicking on the start menu, you can use Logo+X. If you want to right click, instead of that, use this logo shortcut, Logo+X shortcut. Again, use these features. For example, settings. On the settings, you can type control panel. Okay, easy for number 4. Number 5. Using the address bar. What is the address bar? I open my this PC. As you can see, is the address bar. On here, I type control panel, it will be open. I select that, and as you can see, the control panel, it will be open for me. Number 6. Using CMD and PowerShell. On the run menu, you can use Logo+R, press CMD, type the CMD, it will be open. In here, type control. As you can see, the control, it will be open for us. We can do many things in here to open the CMD. For example, in here you can type CMD command prompt, it will be appear for you. Again, how to do it for the PowerShell? You can again type the PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. In here, type control. The control panel, it will be open for you. Or again, you can right click in here and use Windows Terminal, or the admin version, or the administrator one, or the terminal. Again, when you press on that and type control panel, it will be open for you. And in here, I can change it, for example, to CMD or another things. on the Windows PowerShell, we can type Control and CD Control Panel. Number 7, using Task Manager. We use this way when our Windows is freeze. Was this Control Alt Delete when you use this shortcut because the recorder didn't record. When I use this shortcut, I will paste the picture of that in here. When you press Control Alt Delete, you need to use the task manager, or instead of that, or for example, if your Windows didn't crash, you need to if your Windows didn't crash, you need to use Control Shift Escape. You can use this feature too to open the task manager. On the task manager, press on the file. Again, in here you need to press on the run new task. I press that. In here I type Control. This is like the run menu. As you can see, the control panel, it will be open for us. The final way is using the setting window for opening the control panel. Okay, I use Logo+X. Go to the settings. In here I type Control Panel. The control panel, it will be open for me.
All done. We learned 8 ways to open control panel on Windows. At the first time of the video, you might think, why I need to know 8 ways to open a control panel? I just do one way and all that. The reason of that is when we learn this kind of 8 ways to open the control panel, we will learn other things. For example, we will learn how to open it with the PowerShell, what is the PowerShell, or we learn many other shortcuts. This is the benefit of this course, to learn many other things, and this is the benefit of learning Windows. We will learn all of other things instead of just the one title on that. So if you like this content and this content helps you, press the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you at the next one.